In this video, I'm going to show you how you can style your text in Filmora. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So if you'd like to style up your text so that it looks unique, it's pretty much simple. You can do this in Filmora first. Just go ahead and identify where you want to add the text. For instance, I just want to add here the text. Then go ahead and click on this title, and this will go ahead and expose various text form and various text styles that you can use. So for my case, I want to use one of these, and particularly this text style. To use it, go ahead and download it. We have the download option here, and once you have downloaded it, just go ahead and drag and then add it to your timeline where you want to add it. For my case, I want to add it here. If you want to make your text long, you can also just elongate it, or you can move it between your timeline. Now from here, it's time to go ahead and edit our text or write the text. And to do that, just go ahead and click on the text here. And now your text has been highlighted. If you go ahead and double click on it, we can now go ahead and start editing our text using this text editor here. So go ahead and now write your text. For my case, I want to write maybe flying eagle. Now look at that. I have written it. You can move where you want your text to be, and you can also resize your text as you wish, as simple as this. Now if you go ahead and play the video, you can see how the text looks beautiful on this video editor. So that's how you can add styled text in Filmora video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.